everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back and filming for you guys. It's actually been a few months since I've actually sat down and filmed a video, so I'm very keen to get back into it. Now today's video is special because a brand called Madam Glam New York reached out to me and wanted to do a little collab video. I am in no way getting paid to talk about this brand. They simply just gifted me some products that I'm going to unbox and test out for you guys. So just a little bit about Madam Glam. They were founded in 2014 and they aim to sell salon quality gel nail polishes at affordable prices so that we can do our lovely little manicures at home. They have sent me this lovely little package. I got to pick 3 nail polishes that I wanted to try out. It has the brand Madam Glam New York. So they are vegan, cruelty free, 9 pre-formula and HEMA free. Alright, let's open up the packages. I need a lesson on how to open up packages because I actually suck. There we go. This is what it looks like inside. So they've given me a mini UV LED lamp. I've got my 3 colors which I'll go through soon. A top coat and a base coat. I'm gonna be totally honest, I've never used like gel nail polish before, so I had no idea that you had to use an LED lamp. So this is a totally new experience for me. I'm super excited to try it out. I've only ever used like normal nail polish in my whole life. So this is what the LED lamp looks like. It's got little legs that come apart. It comes with a USB cable, and then there's just an on button here. So when you press it once, it leaves the LED lights on for 45 seconds, and then if you press it twice, it leaves it on for 60 seconds. When you press it a 3rd time, it turns it off. So yeah, if you are purchasing any of these nail polishes, make sure you get an LED light because gel nail polishes don't air dry. They need to be what is referred to as cured under the LED light. So make sure you get one of these. They have been generous enough to give me a 30% off discount code. So yeah, make sure you check the description box and my code will be there for you guys to get 30% off. So this is a close-up of their bottles. With the actual nail polishes, they have the colour up the top there, so it's sort of easier to see. And then they've got the name on the bottom as well. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and start off with the base coat. It does say before applying that you should push your cuticles and buff them. Also use an alcohol soaked wipe to remove any dust or impurities. So I've just applied the base coat, so I'm just going to cure it. So it says to cure it for 30 seconds under an LED lamp or 2 minutes under a UV lamp. I might just do 2 minutes to be safe. I think the only thing with this is the lamp is not big enough for you to fit your thumb in as well, so you have to do that separately. While I'm waiting for my thumb to be done, we're going to move on to the colour next. So they call these their soak off gel nail polishes. One is in a beautiful like dusty mauve colour. It's called Darling. It's such a pretty colour. I think it's one of their best sellers on their site. I feel like I need to concentrate with this one because I have a little bit of a shaky hand, so I'll come back to you guys when I've done. Alright, so I just applied a thin coat. The colour does look a little bit different on my nails, but I think that's because I have such a fair skin tone at the moment. It's time to go under again. So this is the 2nd coat. I think it's looking pretty good right now. As I said before, it looks a little bit darker on my skin tone than in the bottle just because I am a bit fair at the moment. So lastly, we're going to use the top coat. Alright guys, here's the final result. I think these look amazing. I feel like I did pretty well for my first time. This is an up close and personal view of my fingers. I also got a bluey purple sparkly one, which I'm so excited to try out, and it's called Can We Leave? Love the name of that. And the other one I got, it's a beautiful like dark burgundy red, which I think would be a perfect colour for Christmas time, and it's called Spiced Up. It's so gorgeous. I'm so excited to try these out, guys. Honestly, my final thoughts are I love this. I'm probably gonna throw out all my like normal nail polish because I barely use them. I just think this gel nail polish process is so simple and easy. I can honestly see myself buying a ton of these in the future. Highly recommend. Don't forget about my discount code in the description below if you want to try any of these out. You get 30% off I just want to say a big shout out to Madam Glam for reaching out to me and sending me these products. I'm so glad I've been introduced to gel polishes now, because this is going to be my go-to. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!